several years ago at this very same conference, remote online notarization was the hot topic, and it changed the landscape for notaries. Maybe not in your fundamental responsibilities, right? But through the statutes that have been adopted at state after state, requiring important things like additional education to ensure proficiency and increased bond amounts for accountability. In many ways, these updated laws enshrine the importance of notaries public in the face of changing technology, right? Now, here comes what? Who's going to help me? What's next? AI. Very good. Who said AI? All right. That's it. Here comes the AI revolution. And the one thing on everybody's mind here, and I hear it all the time from all these smart people who think they're smart, they always want to ask, is artificial intelligence going to take away my job? Right? A lot of people are asking that question. I'm here to tell you, with a bottle of water instead of a crystal ball, that notaries will be more essential than ever before. That was fairly polite. How about this? I'm here to tell you that notaries will be more essential than ever before. Why? Because notaries can help protect consumers at a time when there's a lot of potential for shenanigans. You guys know that word, right? Some of you are old enough to remember shenanigans. As the use of AI grows, lawmakers are concerned about its use for fraud. They're kind of getting really nervous. I'm sure you've seen some of the stories in Washington, D.C. I believe, this is me personally, that the notary laws that we have now, even after they've been revised over the last several years, and a lot of states have added a lot of different programming from education to increased bond amounts, I believe that all of these recent laws are going to have to be reevaluated to make sure notaries can continue to protect consumers effectively, right? What artificial intelligence is capable of now is almost like magic, right? So I get it, some of you are probably skeptical about my foretelling of the future, but if you don't believe me, I did something very special. Maybe you'll believe AI, okay? By show of hands, who's heard of ChatGPT? So you know that if you want to utilize ChatGPT, you put prompts in, and if the basis of those prompts, ChatGPT will give you an answer. And the prompt that I put in was, will AI take away jobs from notaries public? Asked the robot itself, right? And this is the response, and I quote you. AI may automate certain aspects of notaries' work and change how they operate, but it's not likely to fully replace them. E-notarization, where documents are notarized in a digital environment, has gained modest acceptance, but the role of notary in these transactions is still critical for identity verification and equally as important, right? Ensuring the willing participation of the involved parties. There have been advances in AI-based facial recognition, but they still need human oversight due to occasional false positives and negatives. I'm sure all of you have had a problem with identifying somebody from time to time. AI could aid in the verification process, but not replace a notary's discernment. Notaries also serve a crucial function in verifying that signatories are not under duress and fully understand the implications of the documents they're signing. AI does not possess the ability to make these nuanced human judgments. AI cannot read people's minds. And that, my friends, is directly from the robot's mouth. So let's hear it. So my personal view is that notaries are more important than ever before because of the ability for artificial intelligence to create all kinds of shenanigans. The public is going to rely on notaries like they never have before. And I promise you, all of your states that have been working hard to revise their legislative agenda and improve their notary laws are all going to be right back at it because the legislators are scared to death of artificial intelligence. But guess what? You should not be at all. So you are going to be on the front line to keep consumers safe and protected. So let's hear it for you again. Just remember, this is the most important thing. You are more important than ever before. I promise you.